Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Lexi. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and hit the bell so you never miss when we upload a new video. So today we're on a nature trail. Sorry, people walking by. And it's fun. So, I'm in it. Move. What? Move. Fine. Anyway, see you in the next clip. Alright, so we're back. And it's
So now this part of the trail you've seen.
Some delicious rock. I'm sorry about that. It is beautiful. In fact, I am getting a new LPS. It is the brown LPS Great Dane. It's the brown Great Dane with the white around its eye and on its nose, and has a black nose and some delicious rock then.
You got rock written. Now let's go to the right because there's someone coming back.
Anyways,
Behind us, actually.
I got the brown Great Dane with the white around its eye, and it goes onto its nose part, and then it has a brown nose. Not a brown nose, a black nose. A black nose. And it has the diamonds in its eyes. I could have gotten the one that'd probably be $25,000 of the fluffy one, but I decided not to because it probably wouldn't be that fun if I put it in the water. It'd be just normal Great Dane then. But we're having a bet on it, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna win it yet, but it's possible. One of those. Sorry. Yeah. Comment down below if you want me to roast Suntime Fun Time or one of my friends for a day. That'd be fun. Okay, let's go. But yeah, I'm getting a Great Dane, and I've always wanted a Great Dane for some reason. I don't know why, but I just love Great Danes. I don't have Great Danes or anything, but soon I will be doing a video on how many LPSs I have, and I'm earning money for keeping a computer room clean. So yay! $5 a week, you know what I mean? Because I could have gotten 10, but I got to give 5 to my cousin because we agreed on something.
What's your schedule?
Okay. And I'm getting extra money from 5 just because I went on this hiking trail that I didn't want to go on. So yay! There's another thing. We're going to Walmart. I'm getting the Great Dane. Life choices. Yeah. It's a margarine. It's a margarine. Delicious. Sorry, haters, back off. By the way, you should go watch that. Not sponsored by Netflix. Netflix is amazing. You should go download it. Like, come on. What are you doing? Sorry. I'd grab your phone and install it right now. It's like, watch whenever you want type stuff. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Sorry. I'm back. Wait up!
She's not here, and I was like, well, she's gonna be here. You can't go back on.
Are you talking about how I wanted $10 I didn't get it?
Yeah.
I was just talking to them about that. I will be getting new LPSs maybe at Walmart if they have them because they're already sold out because of other LPS tubers. I watched LPS tubers last night because they're the best. Shout out to Alice LPS.
Somebody just jumped up there and left a big ring. Probably a turtle. Possibly a fish, but probably a turtle.
Anyways, I'm going to give a shout out to Alice LPS and shout out to Beanie Boo's something. Like, forgot, but I was watching them last night and they're like Beanie Boo's World or something like that. She's like the best. But she's the best. But she does Beanie Boos. I will be doing a YouTube video with Beanie Boos once we get our own house and I get all my stuff out of storage because we moved to MA. Trying to figure out what that means. Anyways, I'm showing my face really hardly because I'm just shaking and being weird and doing weird fake meme stuff. Yeah, I should probably stop. I'm trying to watch my step because I'm trying not to like trip and fall and die. I was hoping you'd suffer with me, please. I remember I was with my cousin and she banged her. She faceplant, delicious. Anyways, she banged her pinky toe on this fake slide we were going down. It's for like 2-year-olds.
Savannah, some good dogs are coming. Do you see them?
Doggy, doggy, doggy!
Oh, my word.
I'm a dog. I know, Riley.
It's like a movie.
There's poopy dogs above me. I want to show them, but I can't show their face because I don't know if they're able to show their face on YouTube. So, the suffering. Anyways. Yeah, maybe I'm trying to show my YouTube channel out to people. Possibly. Just be like, hey, my YouTube videos and YouTube channel is called Fun Time, Toys and Games. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, which is my first YouTube video. Just kidding. I did my first YouTube video like 8 months ago. Just kidding. Like a month ago. But thanks for giving Night Routine 881 views. Yay. I'm not ending the video here. Some delicious turtle shell. Sorry, I need to stop saying that. It's just funny. It's not that fun time, you know. Comment down below if you think Lexi is obsessed with that. I'm not. Oh. Anyways, doggy heaven was just there and I'm suffering from it, so I don't have Lyme disease and I don't have the pentatonic flu.
You alright, sister?
I'm falling on the ground. I'm back.
There's a little lighter fish in there. Not a dark one.
Fish. And elephants lay eggs and they have babies. And baby elephants, babies. Stay to the right. There's these bikers that were coming by and we completely went to the left and not the right. So that's how you know we're stupid. I'm part of the idiot club. No, you're not, Lexi. Yes, I am. You're so rude. You're part of the Yes, we're getting to the car. I'll film us getting to the car, but I'm not showing my license plate because then you know what I'm from. And I don't really want that love. I love Harry Styles. Oh my gosh. I'll just be like, what a man, sugar. Oh! No one's behind us. I'm back. Oh. Let's go die in a hole. I know where to hide now. We already passed this bridge. It's like the smallest bridge on planet Earth. And not show anyone's face on YouTube. So, I wanted to pet the dogs and show you guys the dog, but obviously it showed on his face. I was saying the dog, and I don't know how to edit yet, so. We need some background music that's like Hello, darkness, my old friend. So I'm suffering from this dog disease I have. It's like seeing a dog and not being able to pet it, and then you just want to pass it out. It just feels amazing. But then you see a dog and you can't pet it because of COVID. It's not fun. Don't, oh, someone's behind us. So bit on the right. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Now crisscross. Crisscross. Everybody crisscross. There is a poofy dog behind us, and I want to squish its little face. It's so cute! It's more like a chipmunk, its head.
Isn't that creepy? Hey, that was actually balanced. How brave of a bag. The good news is that it's all stuff right.
There's a little husky-looking dog. And there's a dog that looks like my best friend's old dog named Nova, and her old dog, are dying. And so now her dog Nova died, and that dog reminds me of him. Does not bring back memories of the time that I sent her a picture of me crying. And I brought that back. Alright, well, I'm putting the camera down. I shall never show people's face on YouTube. Even though it's tempting when they have dogs. I shall never. The end is coming up. Amazing. I will show us getting into the car, but I'm not showing my license plate. And no, I don't go in a teeny tiny car for LPS. That you saw the time that... Oh my gosh, this is a husky! Oh,
my goodness.
Lexi, I'm back.
You might want to stop that, or at least pay close attention, because it's kind of itchy up here.
We'll see you back at the car. Bye. Hi.
And somebody already outbid you on your LPS.
What?
Somebody already outbid you on your LPS.
What?
Yep.
No.
Yep. What, the eBay thing? Yeah.
Never mind. I'm not getting the Great Dane.
Well, we'll see how far the bid goes up. I'm going to leave it alone for a few days.
It's a Great Dane?
It's a little Great Dane LPS. But, people pay
I want
ridiculous
to cry.
prices. I'm not going to.
Turns out, people, I'm not getting it. So yeah.
Let's wait and see.
Behind us.
Thank you. Thank you. Buckle up. I am.
Buckle up for
I'll see you when we're actually out.
I don't have any idea. Well,
I'm going to stop the video here. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and hit the bell so you don't miss the upload of the video. So thank you for watching. Bye.